And this is Rohan here, and they just added a new update. I don't know how long ago it was, but it wasn't long ago at all. The Super Snake update. So I just found the car. It's the I don't know how to say that the shelby. I don't know how to say that, but it just got added. I'm pretty sure, and I mean, it has okay at top speed. It looks pretty good to me. So this update, I'm pretty sure just got added because every week they add a new update, and it's the week right now, the day of the week anyway. Okay, so what color should this be? I don't really care that much. I'm just gonna buy it in any color. It's kind of pricey. Well, let's see how fast this thing goes. I hope it's a lot better than the last video I made about the ATV. That thing was terrible. This should be super. Let's first just look at the looks. I don't like the actually it looks kinda cool. I like it actually. It looks kinda nice. Ooh, look at that little like detail, that little like thing right there. The front looks amazing. The front looks so good. That's the best part about this car. Let's look at the inside. Just a second, let me kinda change the camera angle. Ooh, the inside actually has a new look to it. Let's first just look at it and see if it has good drifting. It seems to have good so far, but I was going like barely fast at all. It seems to turn pretty well. I like how it turns. It said it has bad handling on the stats, but its handling is perfectly fine. So I don't know what they meant about that, because the handling's good. Oh my god. You know, I could have got copyrighted if I didn't have this there. Never mind. Okay, let's try to find a good color. I might just keep the white because the best part about this car is the front. There's no spoiler, but I might keep the white. Let me try out deep orange real fast. That does look kind of nice. What about cyan? No, I do not like that at all. Teal, no, I don't like that. No, no. Crimson, no. Pink. GG brown? The brown looks the best so far. What about dark orange? No one's there. What about just black? I'm not sure. What about royal purple? Deep orange? No, deep blue. I don't know. I might just keep this white. It's a little weird because I never keep them white. I might go with the orange. Okay, wait. Let me try something out right here. Let me make it fire and see how this looks. First, let me try out neon. No, that looks terrible. Fire. Because I do this on... yep, it looks amazing. Because on every car, it looks so good. And I'll show you what I mean. If you ant... No, ant. Because ant is my favorite. I always just do ant. And then once I do that, I always add the black. Just black, though. Not really black. Freely black wheels with ant. And then I do fire and deep orange. That's what I always do. Oh, this car looks so nice. In the front, though. The front's the best part. Let's just... put in that little detail. There we go. Now I'm just gonna cut before I can mod all the others. Okay, I almost had enough for everything. I just can't get the quad turbo. So I'm gonna do that later, but I'm not gonna do off camera yet because I haven't really driven it around yet. So it should, yeah, nice. Ooh, see, okay, it looks good on every car. Just always do deep orange and fire. It looks so nice. So, oh, it looks, I just like the front. And I'll show you what it looks like on different cars. The deep orange and thing I was talking about, that looks awesome. So here's a McLaren P1. It looks really nice, too. And then and I also did it with this car. No. And I also did it with the ATV, which you can watch that video. It was not too long ago. And then it looks good on just every car. I just really like that. That always looks so nice. So let's get the new car out. Oh man, my friend was playing, but he left. Okay, so wait. Let me just stop and look at the gears and see if it's really good. So 2, 3, 4, 5. Ooh, that's good acceleration. Really? Oh! What? It has 7 gears. Well, I already know why people are going to start liking this car. Because acceleration and it has 7 gears. That is a lot. Just look at that. Does it have 8 gears? Let me find out. Okay. I never actually seen this car in real life, so I actually wonder how much gears it has in real life. Ooh, I really like its handling. Because it wasn't, most cars would flip over at that speed. Ooh, okay, let me try this on the highway real fast. I'm not gonna race, I'm just gonna go down this and see how it handles. Oh, great. Ooh, I nailed that turn. I was going 180. So let's just go 200 and let's see if it does it. Wasn't the best, but it did it. Actually, that might have just been me, because I just did terrible in the end. Let's find out if it was me. I don't know. I think it might have. It's most definitely not better than the McLaren P1, though. But it is really nice. Okay, so I'm gonna do some quarter-mile ones and see how fast it goes on those. I'm just gonna test out. I'm guessing it's gonna do really good on the quarter-mile just because of its acceleration. We're fixing to find out. Okay, how am I gonna get there? Oh, okay, almost there. Just stop! Not good in off-roading at all. Ooh, I just love the front. And turn the lights. Okay, so guess in your comments how good this will do in the quarter mile. Oh, just no one. Just a sec. Okay, so this guy just came up right whenever I tried to do a jump cut, but it wasn't that long. Okay, oh, is that the Tesla? Okay, that Tesla Roadster 0.0 versus the new car. Let's see. I got a good time, and I haven't had the quarter mile. I did get second place. That's just because I can't win against a $12 million car. There's no way. But 6 seconds is amazing for this. Oh, I got 6.8. Never mind. But it's a pretty good car. Like this is a nice starter car for in the game. Ooh, I just like it because of the front. Otherwise, this looks cool. Is a Shelby a brand? I never heard of it. Okay, let's try racing again against the same exact car. Man, he's test driving, obviously. So, let's see. There we go. I'm so glad that since you can't hear the background sounds on my like recorder thing, because that was so annoying. A guy was spamming the horn, but he was spamming that a really annoying emoji horn and then the oof horn. I was like, so it's good. I'm gonna try something. What should I do now, though? Let's test it out on off-roading. Because fast cars are sometimes good at off-roading just because they can get up mountains because of their speed, but also kind of not. So I'm just gonna, since I'm almost close to them, I'm not gonna jump cut. If I, it's probably not good at off-roading though, because it's very hard to steer with any car or a fast car on the grass anyway. So, okay, it goes up mountains, okay. Okay, never mind, it goes up mountains insanely good. But every fast car goes up mountains fast. It's all, I should, I mean, it does okay. Ooh, great. Give me that wonderful crate. My car just pushed it. I need that crate. Give me it. Yes, yes, yes. Ooh, I got the Woodlands camo. Wait, this is the rare. It should have gave me more than 2,000. Whatever. Let's spawn it again. Ooh, I like the throne. I'm not sure what I should do now with the car. I should test it out on drifting, maybe. Let me go to the shipping yard. Okay, I'm not really going to start a race. I'm just going to automatically kind of go and see how it goes. That was a good drift right there. Let's just try out the tire little area and see how it does. Ooh, that was really good drifts. This car is pretty good at drifting. That was a really nice drift. What should I try out now? You know what? Since I don't have that much things to do, I'm gonna do a big jump. That would be a nice thing. Let's see how this is gonna end up. Ooh, the top speed. It actually, I didn't notice that. Its top speed's really good. It just went like 240. Oh my goodness, they might be able to fix it because insanely good acceleration like that, good drifting, and goes almost 300 for only 80,000. That is just so good. You could just get that by just putting one code in. See, all you need to do is just put in the code Matrix, and then your starter money combined would pretty much be enough to get it already, and it would. So you could just get that car with one code when you start the game and automatically have it, and it's super duper good. It's like the best starter car because it's like the best price ever. So this, if you start a game, put in that code I told you, and then get this car because this is the best starter car. Because you can just get this car by doing nothing, just codes. If you're wondering, you can actually get a supercar of codes too. Codes are extremely effective on this game. Well, anyways, I'm going to end off the video here because I don't really know what else to do. Well, it looks really nice. Wait, does it say something? Super Snake. Never mind. Well, make sure to subscribe and like, and bye!